Hey everybody, Mr. Vanderkalk here. I want to go over today just a quick little video on some MLA formatting things. MLA formatting is something you should just get comfortable with. Um, it's not the most important thing in the whole world, but you're going to find some teachers who make it the most important thing in the whole world. Some teachers don't care about it at all. I'm kind of in the middle. I think it's a good thing to just get used to because in academics, if you're headed to college, you're going to have to write in the correct format, whether that's MLA, APA, or Chicago, whatever program you're part of. So let's quickly go over just how to make it look. Okay, so anytime you write like a paragraph assignment for an American Lit, Brit Lit course like that, this is a good idea to do. All right, so the first line is just your name. Okay, and this is the heading, not the header. Heading, okay, your name. Then you put the teacher's name. The next line then is the class. And by the way, anytime you can, it's nice to spell out the class name. If you have the space, it just looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit better. And then the date. And the date goes in the format that the rest of the world uses, not the United States, but everywhere else pretty much. And that is where you put the day first, then the month, then the year. So today is 21 September. And again, I like the look of spelling it out. You don't have to. You can abbreviate it according to MLA. And yes, there's guidelines for everything basically. And it's 2023. All right. The next line that you would have would be a title. If you have one, you do not have to have a title in MLA. And then you would start the text of your paper. Okay. Now a few things have to happen though. Everything in MLA is always double spaced. Okay, not triple spaced, not 2.5, not one, double. Notice these are all the exact same distance apart. You see a lot of this in MLA where people put a big gap between. That's not correct. Or maybe they put a big gap between the title and the text. Okay, no, everything is just double. Fonts, by the way, something clean, professional, and readable. New York Times New Roman is sort of the gold standard for MLA, but anything like Arial, Calibri, those all work just fine too. Your title has to be centered. So let's do that a second. Okay, and then for your paper, your paragraphs have to be indented. So you just hit the tab one time and away you go. So this is what it should look like. Okay. Let's do one other little thing quickly. There is a header for MLA formatting, but you don't put it in as a header. Don't put it in as a header. Okay, you put it in as a page number. So this is Google Docs. Every program, of course, is a little different, but a quick Google search, how to, MLA format in Pages or how to MLA format in Word, you'll find it and you'll be good to go. I always think it's kind of funny when a student will ask me something like, where do you put the whatever in MLA format? I'm like, have you heard of Google? Yeah, okay, so here we go. Insert, and you insert a page number, not a header or footer, a page number. Okay, and in MLA format, the page number goes in the upper right corner. So we click that button, you'll see the 1 up here show up, and you put your last name with the number. Okay, now what that will happen then, it will automatically, because we inserted it as a page number, if we would go down to the next page, it will have a 2 instead of a 1, okay, because you're doing page numbers, so it automatically advances that, and along with your last name. One little tiny trick thing to remember, a lot of times if you're typing in a different font, the 1 might be a different font of everything else. So you might have to change that to make everything match. Now with Google Docs, everything's Arial, you're good to go, okay? Size-wise, everything should be size 12. And you're all set. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right. Go MLA. Woohoo. See ya.